All right, guys. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Yeah, welcome to my channel. This is Brainy Bites tutorial. So I brought good news for you guys today in this channel. So I brought good news for you guys today. So before I tell you guys the good news, you are all welcome. This is Brainy Bites tutorials. It's a channel owned by Jamb CBT personnel. So if you are a Jamb aspirant, if you're a Jamb candidate and university aspirant, you are advised to stay here in this channel. Subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, because what we do here is that we'll teach you guys how to pass Jamb freely. We'll guide you guys so you know encounter any challenge when you are registering your Jamb, writing your Jamb, post UTME, and so forth, and so on and so forth. Okay, so you are advised to stay here, and not only that, we'll give you guys information, updates. We'll upload the updates back to back concerning your school. So you are advised to turn on the notification bell so when we upload any updates concerning any of your school, because here we deal with all schools, so all schools updates. So when you upload any update concerning your school, YouTube will notify you. You'll be the first to check out the update. You understand? So it's advised for you to turn on the notification bell and subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed. Okay, if you have subscribed, thank you and God bless you. Okay, so today I brought good news to you guys. I know so many persons have been wanting for this opportunity. So many persons have been wanting for this opportunity, and me and my team, Brainy Bites tutorial and my team, so we have decided to help a whole lot of candidates, some candidates this period. Okay, we have decided to help some candidates this period. Yeah, we have decided to help some candidates this period. So that's the reason why here in this channel we'll be giving out 100 free Jamb form to candidates 2024, to forthcoming Jamb UTME exam candidates 2024. So that's mind-blowing, right? I know it's mind-blowing. So we'll be giving 100 candidates free Jamb form for 2024. So before that, you will have to be eligible before you can give you that form. Okay, before that you have to be eligible before you can give you that form. You understand? So the only way you can be eligible, okay, let's check out the eligibility. Okay, we have on the slide 2, we have free Jamb form for 100 candidates. Yeah, it is free Jamb form for 100 candidates. We are giving out free Jamb form for 100 candidates. Okay, come Jamb registration 2024. Okay, so let's get down to who is eligible for this form. Yeah, it's a very good question. Who is eligible for this form? It's a very good question. Who is eligible for this form? So now, the person eligible for this form is our candidate. This form, it is only meant for our candidate. So that's to say that if you are not one of our candidates, we are not giving out this form for you. You understand? If you are not one of our candidates, you are not eligible for this form. So how do you become our candidate? The only way you can become our candidate for free, you are not paying any money, it's for free, is to hit that subscribe button. You like the video, you turn on the notification bell, so that whenever we drop any amazing video, YouTube will notify you. Then, and before that, you must have watched at least 3 of our videos. So you subscribe, you like, you drop your comments of anything you feel like you want to comment. If there's anywhere you feel like you want us to adjust, you drop your comment on the comment section, then we'll adjust the place. So you check the video, you check this video description, you will see a WhatsApp number there. I would have loved to put the group, but I said no, because I don't want anybody to litter in the group. There's so many things happening there now, so I don't want that to continue. Okay, so I don't want that to continue. So I want people that will add there is people that is fully ready. That's the people I will add there. Understand? I don't want to add everybody there. Okay, I don't want to add people that is not ready there. You understand? So that's the reason why I didn't drop the group or the platform link. Okay, so if you have subscribed to our channel, then you screenshot. Don't forget to. It's very, very important, because that is the only way to know that you subscribe to our channel. Because if you don't screenshot, it will be like you did not subscribe to us. You understand? So if you have subscribed, you screenshot to our channel, you screenshot your subscription. You are not paying money for subscription. Remember, you're not just to hit that button. Then when you hit the button, like, share, when you hit the button, you like, comment, you screenshot your screen, you forward it to that number on WhatsApp. Okay, you forward it to that number with your full name, and your Jamb profile code. Okay, once it's confirmed, then we'll send you your Jamb e-pin. Then you take your e-pin to any Jamb registration center to do your registration. Okay, so that's the only way you can subscribe. So if you want to be among, remember, you want to be among these first 100 candidates now, so rush out there, watch 3 of our video, subscribe, like, share, comment, then send your screenshot, the screenshot of your subscription, to the number on the comment, on the description, on the video description. Send your send your screenshot to that number, and once it is confirmed by us, send together with your profile code. We'll vend your pin with your profile code, then I'll send it back to you. Then you go to any CBT center near you and do your registration. Okay, so that's the way, that's how to do it. Okay, so if for those that don't know how to check the video description, I guess, let me see if I can drop the number here with you guys. The number is 090 65 42 40 58. Again, I repeat, the number is 090 65 42 40 58. So that's the only way you can get our free form for Jamb 2024 registration. Okay, if you don't have money to purchase your Jamb, so that's the free way out of it. Okay, so we love you guys. We are Brandon Bytes team. Okay, we love you guys. Until we see you guys on our next video again, keep winning.